You got that something that can't be seen. You got that one thing that's hard to come by. It's not your styling, it's not your jeans. No, what you got is deeper within, and your friends don't even know what you got.
Hello my loves, how are ya? Welcome back to Awesome Hairstyles channel. Today I'll show you how to make this off-center lazy French twist. So we'll begin by making our parting if you want, and then we want to section our top and make with it a ponytail, basically as usual, because this is a comfortable way to have this poof looking crown. Now we want to grab two sections from both sides of our parting and make another ponytail. You want to loosen it if you want, leave some hair out like I did, of course, if you want as well. And then you want to grab our underneath hair and bring it a little upwards and off center. You want to pin it using bobby pins. I'll use only one big bobby pin because for my blonde hair that's enough. If you find that for you it's not enough, you can use more. Then you want to brush your hair with your fingers or using a comb, and then you want to lightly twist it upwards, like I'm showing, creating this twisted loop. We want to hide the ends underneath into the created twist, and then we want to grab some bobby pins and fix it very well in place, like so. You want to loosen it as you are pinning it in place. I like this loose, effortless looking bun, that's why I'm loosening it even more. You can use some hairspray to fix it, but make sure to use enough bobby pins because bobby pins are the main locking key for this hairstyle. And you're basically done. Tell me please in comments down below what do you think about this off-center lazy updo. Guys, if you're new, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell notification button to be notified every time I post a new video. Love you guys. See you soon. Bye.